is Krisha here again. In today's video, we are going to make our own DIY pastel tie-dye t-shirts. Apologize if you can hear a lot of background noises in this video. It's because I am here outside. I don't have any other area to work with this thing, so I apologize for that. But anyway, today I am going to share to you 4 different styles and how to tie-dye your shirt. I already have an experience with this kind of thing ever since I was in grade school, so I'm really so excited to share this thing to you guys. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to keep you updated whenever I post any new videos. Let's go and let's get started. So before we dig into the different styles that I am going to share to you, I am going to show you first the materials that we are going to use for this tie-dye. So first we have this Venus dye, but if you don't want to use it, you can use tie-dye kits which you can order online. And also we will be needing white t-shirts. It should be white t-shirts, and these rubber bands, a pair of gloves, and also a fork for a tie-dye process, and a hanger with a clip on it. Then these bottles that we will be using for a tie-dye solution, and a basin. So for the process of this tie-dye, it says here that this dye must be dissolved in boiling water to get best results. So we are going to boil water first, and let's put it here in the box. So I already have the water with me, and all we need to do is to mix the dye to the water. So the technique to achieve the pastel color is to add a little bit of the dye with a lot of water, because the more dye that you are adding to the water gets darker. You don't like dark color for your shirt, because today we are going to make a pastel one. So yeah, we are just going to add a little bit of the dye. t-shirts, and we are just going to leave this for like 8 hours, and then after that we are going to wash this with cold water. So now it's time to take these rubber bands off, and we are going to wash them with cold water, and as you can see, I already take off.
Taking my breath away.
much you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos like this. So thank you so much guys once again, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!